Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, OrthoWorld Senior Market Analyst. Today I want to share the report I use to track orthopedic consolidation. It saves me time and helps me easily research market trends. The Orthopedic M&A Tracker is an Excel file containing 600 orthopedic M&A deals spanning the last 3 decades. All transactions since 2016 are categorized by market segment and, where available, payment terms and transaction value. The report is updated as transactions are announced, so you'll always have an up-to-date look at the market's consolidation trends. The tracker is evergreen for me in sourcing and validating content ideas. It makes researching high-level orthopedic M&A trends a breeze. Let me give you a simple example. Doesn't it feel like 2020 was an inflection point for enabling tech? It turns out, yeah, M&A transactions for digital assets increased markedly after COVID. But did you know that orthobiologics deals had an even bigger jump since 2020? You can answer questions like these in just a few minutes with a tracker. We've also heard from members who use it for business development, due diligence, and competitive intelligence. Let's take a quick tour of the file. Okay, so here we are in the tracker. It's a simple Excel file with just a couple tabs, so let's walk through them. The first tab lets you know what you're going to find inside the file, but importantly, at the top left, you can always see the date to check if you have the most recent version. The next tab has a couple of pre-built charts. It's like a simple dashboard showing activity by year, buyer, and product segment. That same information is in table form on the next tab. And then finally, our data set has all the detailed information about the transactions. There are a couple hidden tabs, mostly pivot tables. They're hidden by default just to clean up the presentation, but of course you can unhide them and reslice the data any way you see fit. Okay, if you're an OrthoWorld Elite member, you already have access to the tracker through the My Files section of your profile on our website. You can purchase the report a la carte, but my advice is to just become an Elite member. You get the tracker, the orthopedic industry annual report, all the other reports I create, and all the benefits of OrthoWorld Executive membership. Plus, you know the guy who made the report. So if you ever have any questions, you can always get in touch with me directly, just like you can reach all of my colleagues here at OrthoWorld. If you're like me and some of our other Elite members, you can make your money back in the span of one project with these benefits. I get tremendous value out of the tracker, and I think you will as well, so I hope you check it out. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.